first part is to give the car a thorough rinse, get as much of the contaminants we can off the paintwork. Stage 2, we do a thorough wash of the car. Stage 3, we do what's called an iron removal. So we spray the car with a chemical that will remove all embedded pollutants, iron filings from the brakes, which end up embedding themselves into the paintwork and rust and cause discoloration and make the car feel very rough. From there, what we do is a clay bar, which is a physical decontamination of the paint. So we make sure we've got lots of soap so not induce any marring on the paintwork, and we clay bar the entire car including the glasswork. The final stage of the wash is to rinse the car down with 100% clean water, just so to remove any last bit of dirt and not contaminate the paint further with dirty tap water. From there we bring the car in on the jack, put the lights on it. We do one more alcohol wipe down, just in case there's still any waxes or coatings on the car that might not have come off during the wash period. This means we've got a better, cleaner surface when we polish so that we don't clog up the pads and do any damage while we're polishing.
So today we've had a beautiful Ferrari come in, which is heavily swirled and very hazy. Here we've performed a two-stage paint correction and a single-stage paint correction to test which one would be better for the car. We've opted for the two-stage paint correction as it's given a much better finish and a much deeper shade of red for the car. The leather is about 15 years old and is quite dirty. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it thoroughly, making sure we get rid of all the dirt and body oils. Once we've done this, we're going to coat the leather, which will make it hydrophobic and will protect it from body oils, dirt, so it'll be ready for the next 15 years of its life.